Welcome to my channel Self Study. In this video, we will learn about RBI and monetary policy. Indian banking system managed under Ministry of Finance by Reserve Bank of India. RBI categorizes banks in three categories: development banks, second cooperative banks, third commercial banks. Development banks are responsible for the economic development of the country. Cooperative bank responsible for rural financing and ensure credit service to farmers at low rate of interest. Commercial banks is a financial institution provide service to its customers such as saving account and overdraft loan facilities. Development banks further divided in four categories: Industrial Development Bank, example SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. It aims to promote employment generating industries and technical upgradation and modernization of existing units. Agriculture Development Banks, example NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Its aims focus is to uplift rural India by increasing credit flow for the promotion of the agriculture and non-farm sector. Third, Export Import Development Bank, example Exim Bank, Export Import Bank. Its main aim is to finance Indian exporters that generate foreign exchange for the country. Housing Development Bank, NHB, National Housing Bank, responsible for regulating and refinancing social housing activities. Commercial banks divided in three categories: private sector banks, RRBs, regional rural banks, and nationalized bank. Private sector banks further divided in four categories: Indian banks such as Axis Bank, ICICI banks, foreign banks such as DBS banks, small banks, small finance banks, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, and fourth one is Payments Bank, example Fino Payments Bank. The preamble of Reserve Bank of India. It describes the basic function of the Reserve Bank: to regulate the issue of bank notes and keeping of reserve with a view of securing monetary stability in India, and generally to operate the currency and credit system of the country to its advantage, to have a modern monetary policy framework to meet the challenge of an increasingly complex economy, to maintain price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. RBI. What is RBI? RBI is an institution of national importance and the pillar of the surging Indian economy. It is a member of the International Monetary Fund. The concept of Reserve Bank of India was based on the strategies formulated by Dr. Ambedkar in his book named The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution. RBI regulates the credit and currency system in India. The main objective of the RBI are to sustain the confidence of the people in the system, protect the interest of the depositors, offer cost-effective banking services like cooperative banking and commercial banking to the people. Function of Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India work as monetary authority, implementation of monetary policy, monitoring the monetary policy, ensuring price stability in the country considering the economic growth of the country, regulator and administrator of the financial system. The RBI determine the comprehensive parameter of banking operation. These methods are responsible for the functioning of the country's banking and financial system. Methods such as license issuing, liquidity of assets, bank mergers, branch expansion, etc. Managing foreign exchange. RBI manages the Forex Reserve of India. It is responsible for maintaining the values of the rupee outside the country. It aids foreign trade payment. Issuer of currency. The Reserve Bank of India is responsible for providing the public with a sufficient supply of currency notes and coins. The quality of currency notes and coins is also taken care of by RBI. RBI is in charge of issuing and exchanging of currency and coins. Also the destruction of currency and coins that are not fit for circulation. Composition of RBI board member. Director board. 5 members from RBI official members. 14 members non-official members. In 5 official members, 1 is governor, 4 deputy governor, 10 from various field, 4 directors from local board. In 10 from various field, 2 from government official, 8 from various field. Central Board of Directors hierarchy and present board member. Our present governor Shri Sashikant Das and deputy governors Shri M.K. Jain, Dr. M.D. Patra, Shri M.R. Rao and Shri T. Ravi Shankar. Which acts are administered by the RBI? RBI Act 1934, Public Debt Act 1944, Government Securities Act 2006, Government Security Regulations Act 2007, Banking Regulation Act 1949, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Asset and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002, Credit Information Companies Act 2005, Payment and Settlement Act 2007, Factoring Regulation Act 2011. What are important publication of RBI? Financial Stability Report, Monetary Policy Report, Report on Financial Review. Monetary Policy. The primary objective of monetary policy is to maintain price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. Preamble to the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, RBI is entrusted with the responsibility of conducting monetary policy in India with the primary objective of maintaining price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. Monetary Policy Framework. About. In May 2016, the RBI Act was amended to provide a legislative mandate to the central bank to operate the country's monetary policy framework. Objective. The framework aims at setting the policy rate based on an assessment of the current and evolving macroeconomic situation and modulation of liquidity conditions to anchor money market rates at or around the repo rate. Monetary Policy Committee have 6 members, 3 from RBI, 3 from government. What it do? Fix the benchmark interest rate of RBI, set inflation target. Monetary policy instruments divided in 2 categories: quantitative, qualitative. Quantitative, used to control the total money of the bank credit in the economy, used to influence the quantity of credit in the economy. Qualitative, used for selective credit control that focuses on allocation of credit to different sector of the economy. Quantitative, further divided in three categories: reserve ratios, open market operations, rates. Reserve ratio divided in two categories: SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, CRR, reserve cash reserve ratio. Rates divided in two categories: long term rates, short term rates. In long term rates, bank rates. Qualitative divided in three categories: margin requirement, moral suasion, and selective credit control. In margin requirement, short term LAF, liquidity adjustment facility, further divided in three categories: repo rate, repurchasing rate, reserve repo rate, and MSF, marginal standing facility. Thank you for watching. In next video, we will learn about monetary policy instruments in detail. Thank you.